Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Business Hunters, and today I want us to talk about CAC online registrations, and I figure out some points that I want us to discuss specifically about, which are 4 points. Number one of these points is business commencement date before registration. Number two, we are going to talk about business commencement date after registration. Number three, we are going to talk about payment of fine. Number four, we are going to talk about solution if the fine is too much for you to pay. These are the 4 key points that I want us to discuss in this video, and they are very, very important. That is why I want you to pay key attention. Watch this video carefully from the beginning to the end. Before we proceed, I want you to hit the like and subscription button and also turn on the notification bell for subsequent videos. Let's dive in. Like I said, number one, which is commencement date before registration. What this means is that the government expects you to register your business before you even commence your business. You have to get it registered with the government. So if you just go ahead and register your business, if you have been operating your business before registration, in the process of registering your business, you are going to tell the government that that same day that you are registering this business is the same day that you are commencing your business. But if you have been operating your business for the last 2 years and you want to register your business today with the government and you file into the government that, okay, my business has commenced 2 years ago, what they are going to do to you, they are going to fine you automatically. You will pay 150 naira per day for the last 2 years that you have commenced your business without registration. So by the time you calculate that figure, it's a whole lot of money. So if care is not taken, you're going to abandon that your business name because the money is going to be too much for you to pay. That fine is going to be too much for you to pay. And that is what we are going to talk about, the solution later on. So number two, business commencement date after registration. This one is a process whereby you registered your business successfully, submitted to the government, but in the end you are queried because you do not file in some details properly. So let me show you such example. Like this query that you're seeing here. Let me come here. You can look at what is going on here. This person, he backdated his commencement date. He said, look at what they are saying here. Commencement date is more than 28 days. Pay 150 naira per day penalty for default. You can hear that. So if you have corrected this particular fine that you're seeing here, this fine is about 4,000 something. After correcting this stuff and you want to resubmit it, make sure you update that business commencement date to this very day that you are actually resubmitting this name. If not, you are still going to fall into the same trouble. You will get frustrated and you will abandon this registration. So the very day you are submitting this commencement date you are registering this business, make sure you tell the government that you are commencing your business that same day. If you get queried and you correct your query and you want to resubmit, update your record and say you are commencing your business on that day that you are resubmitting this particular registration. So that is the way forward. So number three, which is payment of fine. Like you have seen on this query. So if you want to pay them this money, how do you pay it? I made a video specifically about how you pay this fine, which I'm going to leave in the description below. So go there and click on that video, watch it from the beginning to the end. There is no button on their platform here where you're going to put your credit card to pay for that fine. So you are going to use Remitter to make that payment. I made a video about it. You will watch it on the description below. If you have any question that you want to ask, please leave it in the comment below and I will respond to your question. Number four, which is solution if the fine is too much for you. Let's say you tell the government you have started your business for over 2 years ago, and you're doing the registration today. You know you are going to pay 150 naira per day for the last 2 years. Let's say you calculate 365 days in a year times 2. It gives you, let me quickly do that math to show you. If you see 365, 365, 365 days per year, if you times it by 2, it gives you 730 days. Okay, let's say now you calculate 150 naira times 730. This is how much you are going to pay as a fine. You are paying 109,500 naira for a business registration or whatever registration that is not going to cost you more than, let's say it's a business name. It will not cost you more than 25,000 naira to get your registration done, if it is a third party that is helping you to do the registration. But if it is yourself, 12,000 naira should be able to sort out your business name registration by yourself. And you want to pay a fine of this. So what is the solution now? If you can't pay this fine, what you need to do is to abandon that particular name registration, then resubmit to the government, to CAC, a fresh name that's look closely like the one that you're about to abandon. When they approve it, you go ahead and register it. Follow the step that I am showing you step by step so that you can get everything done one hands. So I also want to give you a bonus in this video, which I did not include in the list earlier. After your registration has been approved, like this one that you're seeing here, let me go ahead and say, okay, I want to download this document now. Look at what they are reading here. Kindly know that you are allowed to download your document certificate within the 7 days interval of registration date. For subsequent download of document certificate, you will be charged a fee. Here you can see this. And there are 2 documents here that you need to download. Number 1 is the certificate itself. Number 2, the supportive document. Let me show you how this document looks like. As you can see, look at it. This is the certificate itself, and this is the status report, which is a supportive document. So each of these documents, you're paying 5,000 naira each. So that is why it is advisable, whenever you register your business, make sure you download it before 7 days. The moment they approve it, download your document and keep it safe. Keep the soft copy somewhere, in PDF somewhere, then print the one that you want to keep as a hard copy document, so that whenever you mess up with your hard copy document, you will now go back to the soft copy and reprint from there, so that you don't come back here and spend 10,000 naira. That is enough to give you a new registration. So let's say you want to download this stuff now. You will click on this. You can see it's 10,000 naira total. If you click here now, it will take you to a remitter where you can make that payment. So that is all I have in this video. If you find any value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the like button and put a comment below. I will answer you swiftly. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.